Hey guys, welcome back to new video. And today we'll be looking into the HIV life cycle. We will not looking into the introduction to it. We are done with in our previous videos, and just our main focus is the life cycle of HIV, how it replicates and all that. So for that, uh, I will just saying, I'm not writing that much point. I'm just making, I'm just making diagram and making the concept. What I am saying, you can write it in your notebooks and all that. So let's move forward. Sorry. So this is uh, for suppose uh, this is uh, the the host cell, which is mostly the mostly the T helper cell or the lymphocyte. This is the host cell. Now what will happen is that we have got glycoproteins over here. We've got this and this. This is CD4 protein on the surface of lymphocytes, and we have got the HIV virus, which has got uh, this sort of structure, and this is the GP120 protein, glycoprotein 120. This is the place where the attachment takes place. These both are working as a lock and key, and attachment takes place. Now, uh, do remember the point that this HIV is consisting of two strands of RNA. Now the injection takes place, and it gets inside of it by endocytosis, by means of endocytosis. So I'm moving this section over here, and let me make this over here. Sorry. Just same thing over here. It comes inside. By what means? Just gets inside with this. Now here, it just seals up over here. This is how the first step, and the, it gets inside the host cell by endocytosis. And what will happen next is that this is the first step. The first step, the attachment and injection. Now what will happen next is it will shed its coating. Like this coating would be destroyed. Uh, this coating would be destroyed. Only this thing will remain. Let me do that. Only these things will remain. Now what will happen for the two phase is number two. The one will get okay. There are two strands. One is this one. The second is this one, right? Two strands. The one with red is disintegrated. This is just disintegrated. This is of no use. And the one is left. The one left is uh, gone for the reverse transcription. Number three, it goes for reverse transcription. I'm writing RT. You don't understand what does that mean. Goes for reverse transcription, and what will happen is this: a double-stranded, uh, a single-stranded complementary DNA will form along the RNA. Like this would be the thing. Single-stranded, two single-stranded DNA will form. This would formed, and now again, what will happen is the RNA strand will get, this will get vanished and disintegrated, and this will convert into this thing. The double-stranded, uh, double-stranded DNA. Right? uh, after converting into this, it will get into the host cell nucleus. This is the nucleus. It's gets into it, and now what will happen is it will get it does reverse transcription. Like once it is here, now it does reverse transcription. Now this will convert into this proteins and all that. Reverse transcription, sorry, uh, not reverse transcription, this transcription, simply transcription, the DNA to RNA, mRNA transcription. I'm just writing transcription, TRP. You need to understand this transcription. And uh, along with the the proteins are formed, along with them the strand of RNA or the protein, the messenger RNA found that formed protein. Now the assembling takes place. This, for suppose assembling took place, and uh, in the assembling, during the assembling, here is the assembly or assembling, where the different proteins and all that combined. Now what will happen next is that uh, there is a in the assembling there is a protein called uh, protease, which is helping for the assembling. Protease. Now what will happen next is uh, like this thing will happen, and now this will move here, and now it's forming exocytosis. So what will happen next is exocytosis will take place, and this will form like here, and the strands would be like this, and the next thing would be the releasing. And how will it get released? It will form its envelope with the help of this, and it will get released, and now the destruction will take place. So I do hope you learned uh, the the life cycle of HIV. If you did, do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.